Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Vfairs, a platform designed to help you plan and manage virtual business events in 2025. If you've been searching for a way to host engaging online conferences, trade shows, or career fairs, this might be the solution you've been waiting for. But is it really worth it? Let's break it down in this honest review covering all the details, pros and cons, so stick around. Vfairs is a virtual event platform that promises to deliver immersive and interactive experiences for businesses looking to host online events in 2025. The platform offers a range of features including customizable virtual booths, live chat, webinar integrations, and even gamification elements to keep attendees engaged. One of the standout aspects of Vfairs is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for both organizers and participants to navigate. The platform supports various event types, from large-scale conferences to intimate networking sessions, and even hybrid events blending physical and virtual elements. On the positive side, Vfairs provides robust analytics, giving organizers real-time insights into attendee behavior and engagement metrics. This data can be incredibly valuable for improving future events. Another plus is the platform's scalability. Whether you're hosting 100 or 10,000 attendees, Vfairs claims to handle it. The basic annual license from Vfairs is ideal for organizations hosting fewer than 5 events per year with basic registration and planning needs, offering 1,000 registrations included dedicated project management support, basic customer service, and access to the Vfairs basic platform for virtual in-person or hybrid events, along with an always-on website option, unlimited events, and unlimited content. The premium annual license caters to organizations requiring advanced end-to-end event management. For large-scale needs, the Enterprise Annual License offers a complete enterprise-grade solution with 5,000 registrations, dedicated project management, and success reps. However, there are some downsides to consider. While the platform offers a lot of customization, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep, especially when setting up more complex events. Additionally, pricing isn't transparent on the website, so you'll need to contact their sales team for a quote, which can be a hassle if you're comparing options quickly. Some users have also mentioned that while the virtual environments look polished, they can feel a bit generic compared to competitors offering more unique designs. Despite these drawbacks, Vfairs remains a solid choice for businesses needing a reliable virtual event solution with strong support and a wide array of features. Alright, that's a wrap on Vfairs. It's a powerful tool with plenty to offer, but it's not perfect. Would I recommend it? For the right use case, absolutely. Just make sure to weigh the pros and cons before committing. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.